In this video, we will learn about a project in Python. So our project is mainly automatic attendance system with face recognition, and it will be a real-time database. Okay, and this is based on Python. By our face, our attendance system will take our attendance. Okay, so you must need a webcam must be for this project, and although everything I will guide you, and I am going to use the PyCharm in this project. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, at first we will work on the webcam section. Okay, we will create the webcam, and we will set up the webcam in this project at first. Then we will do work on graphics section. Okay, then after that we'll work on the encode generator. Okay, encode or encoding generator. Okay, now what is the encoding generator? Mainly we'll do the face recognition. Okay, we'll insert the data of the face recognition so that the system can recognize that the ability of the data. Okay, when we'll do that things, I think we can understand that things are much more better. Then face recognition. So then finally the face recognition part, we will insert multiple amounts of face. Mainly these are the steps that we'll do in this project. Okay, we'll do this in a step by step term. Then we'll create the database. Okay, then we'll add content on the database, add content on database. Okay, then after face recognition system created, then we will create the database, then add content on database, obviously. Then we'll add images on the database. Okay, obviously we need to add images at first, then our face will be recognized, but at first we need to put our face on the database. Okay, optional, because we must need a real-time option, because our project title is that it's a real-time project. Okay, so it must include the real days, and we will also the limit, set the limit, like person can give the attendance in a day. Okay, we can give at the time limit at like 1 hour, after 1 hour, or 2 hours. Like if a person give the face recognition or give the attendance, suppose now he cannot give the attendance until the next day, we can set the 24 hours. If we said that 1 hours, he cannot give the attendance face in that 1 hours. After 1 hours he can give the attendance. So we can limit any types of numbers. So here is my webcam that previously is not put it on here, but right now you can make your background according to your needs. So here webcam or face is detected, and look, this is my webcam. Okay, look, this is my webcam. Here student information will be shown displayed. So let me figure this out. Right now if you put the 0 on there, we can see, let me run this code. Okay, that is our active mode. That is our webcam. Okay, it's moving. Okay, that is student ID, and okay, it's mark, and finally it will say because I have the 4 modes just. Okay, so the 4 modes is showing there already marked. You can add many more modes if you need. Okay, so for the database we are going to use the Firebase. Just go to the Firebase and just go to console. So let me enter the name. So it's creating the default bucket, okay, or a storage bucket. So go to setting, to project setting, grab this success codes, right? Okay, at first is active, then it will show the ID, and then it will, if you come again, it will say that it's already marked. If I do, look, Mark Zuckerberg ID to economics, and that is the message. Mark, and it will then show already marked. Okay, so that is the concept, that at first it will show the active, then detect the ID by the face, and then it will mark, and if you come it again, it will say already marked. Load that mark, try to give this in 30 seconds. Okay, between the 30 seconds, just look, it said that already marked, but after some time, I think 30 seconds is fast, so let's try this again. That detects again. And this is increased now. Okay, that is the real-time database, and it's true that look, it will also update the last attendance time. Rest means we don't recognize the Lionel Messi, but we recognize the Mark Zuckerberg, the Elon Musk. So their times has been detected, and at last, then we take the attendance of Mark Zuckerberg, 2023, 7 month, today is 20, and that is the time is updated. So that is called the real-time database. Okay. Okay, so finally you can see that our project is running and is working successfully. If you guys need this source code, then you can check the description box. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video will be helpful for you. It is for today. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.
बरसों नहीं सदियों से, बरसों नहीं सदियों से मैं बीमार हूँ मौला, मैं बंदाए आसी हूँ, खता का